Okay, so this video is going to be a breakdown of my Google DeepMind clone. So this is a replication of the Google DeepMind website. It was done for a project working on my web development skill, and yeah, my goal was to completely replicate the UI of the Google DeepMind website. So as you can see, when you hover on some images, when you hover on some text, they respond. When you hover on these cards at the left, they different elements in the card responds, just like on the Google DeepMind website. Then yeah, when you hover on these texts, they respond also. If you can notice, the icon moves to the left when you hover on all these elements. And I used media query to give different designs at different breakpoints, like you would see soon. So at this features side, they lose a card at different breakpoints. Then at the research side, the card rearranges at different breakpoints. Also at the arrow side, they're stacked in a column instead of side by side. Then the text also reduce at tablet view. I used the clamp to do this. I clamped the font size for these text. Then yeah, it moves smoothly, like on every screen. There's no weird looking structure. Everything is like smoothly responsive. Yeah, so this is not that. Okay, we're getting there. Yeah, so this is a different layout for tablet. This is also different layout in the footer and the research side. Then there's also different layouts for mobile view. Yeah, this one card is removed on this start building section. Then just one card for mobile view, just like the original website. Then 3 cards on tablets, just like the original website too. But the navigation bar isn't functional yet. I'm still working on that. Yeah, so yeah, the sticky position, you scroll up, then you see this menu, mobile menu are included in the design, just like the original website. Yeah, so this is my attempt at the replication of the Google DeepMind website. Tell me how you think I did.